Welcome to our gas bonnet strut fitting video. This product is a great quality of life improvement to your transporter and it can be fitted within minutes. The only tools that you need are a small flathead screwdriver and a size 13 spanner. Two bullhead screws that are located at either end of the strut will first need to be removed from their brackets. To do this, run your flathead screwdriver under the plastic band shown, slowly pushing it towards the end of the strut. This will release the screw and you'll be able to take it out. Repeat at either end to release both. If you've got a T5, you're more than likely going to be fitting a strut as an upgrade. However, most T6s come with genuine struts as default. This isn't a problem as the process is very similar for both vehicles, the only difference being that if you're replacing a strut, the bullhead screws may already be fitted. If not, use the provided screws, securing them here and here using your size 13 spanner. Before you slot the strut into place, make sure the plastic bands you pushed up to release the screws are returned back into their original position. The strut should be orientated in this position and may only be fitted to the offside of your bonnet. Push the heads of the strut onto the bullhead screws and the process is completed. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.